Everyone, welcome back to my channel, Journey to Health with Ceels. So today we're going to be talking about 6 exercises that you can do right now to lose belly fat. Now guys, you have to realize that when you're talking about losing weight, you can't really target one specific area. But these exercises that I'm about to share with you, they are going to work not only to lose weight throughout your entire body, but we're going to target those abs muscles so that you can burn the fat really fast and you can get that flat stomach you've always wanted. Now if this is something that you want, come along with me. I'm going to share with you those exercises, 6 exercises that you can start today to lose belly fat really fast. Now guys, these exercises that I'm about to share with you, they are exercises that are going to target what's called visceral fat in our bodies. You know, all of us have some kind of, fat around our organs, but some of us have a little bit more than others. And that's the fat that is responsible for many of our illnesses, our sicknesses, and our diseases. This is the fat that we're going to be targeting. It's usually embedded deep within our bellies. They're usually wrapped around our organs such as our liver and our intestines. It's made up of about 1/10 of all the fat stored in our bodies. Now these movements that I'm about to share with you right now, they work exceptionally well for me to target those ab muscles and lose that visceral fat. And these are the exercises that I'm going to recommend that you start with, especially if you are a new beginner, you're a new person who's just starting out on the weight loss journey. Now guys, the first exercise I'm going to be sharing with you today is well known to many of us. It's the same old abdominal crunch, and it's an excellent exercise to lose belly fat. Here's what you're going to be doing. You lie on your back with your knees bent, hip width apart. Place your hands behind your head with your elbows wide open. Take a deep breath and engage your core muscles, both upper and lower abdominal muscles. And as you lift your torso, including your shoulders, you keep your head back without pulling up your neck. And you're going to be doing this repetition approximately 20 times. Quick tidbit for you. Abdominal crunches is also a good exercise to strengthen your upper and lower back and reduce lower back pain. So if you're suffering from lower back pain, you're not only going to lose that fat from around your waist area, but you're also going to strengthen your core muscles and strengthen your back as well. So the second exercise we're going to be talking about is a little modification from the first exercise, and that is the abdominal bicycle crunch. Now the abdominal bicycle crunch, while you're still lying on your back, you're going to place your hands behind your head. Bring your knees into your chest. Then straighten one leg while turning your upper body towards the opposite bent knee. You're going to alternate your right and left legs until you perform 20 repetitions, which means you're going to be doing 10 on each side. The third exercise we're going to be talking about is the good old plank. Plank is excellent at tightening your core muscles. It's perfect if you want to lose belly fat fast. This is an important exercise to include in your routine as a part of your workout or your weight loss journey. You're simply going to turn over on your front and place your elbows underneath your shoulders. Flex your feet and lift your entire body so it is parallel to the floor. You're going to hold for 60 seconds. You're going to work up to 1, 2, and 5 minutes. So in other words, guys, you're going to start out by doing 1 minute, and then you're going to increase that to 2 minutes, and then you're going to go up to 5 minutes by holding in that same position. The fourth exercise is one that all of us does, and we can all participate in doing it. It's brisk walking or running. If you're not able to jog or you're not able to run, you can go and take a brisk walk. Now, this exercise is not only good to tighten your abdominal muscles, also good to help you prevent diseases, chronic diseases like diabetes and cancers and heart disease. Studies have shown that you can burn up to 100 calories per mile when you do brisk walking. And depending on your weight, you can start off slow and work your way up to 30 to 40 minutes per day. Now guys, if you can burn approximately 100 calories per mile, just imagine what you can do with 2-3 pounds weight. You know, as you walk, hold these weights and you just walk briskly with them. I've spoken about this many times in my other videos. Just by adding 2-3 pounds weight, you can actually double the amount of calories that you lose in that same specific period of time. So if you're going for a 30 or 40 minutes walk, just bring along with you 3 pounds of weight, and that is going to double the amount of calories that you actually burn within the same period of time. Now the fifth exercise we're going to be talking about is lift your leg. This is a leg lift. Now as you go out and you take your walk or you take your light jog, you can come back and you can perform these additional exercises at home. Now lift leg requires you to lie on your back with your palms face down, tucked just underneath your hips so that your hands are peeking out. Engage your core muscles and lift your hips and legs up, keeping them straight. And you're going to perform this repetition between 10 to 12 times. Now guys, this exercise, this is the final one that we're going to be talking about, how you can incorporate these to lose belly fat. Now this is a very important workout, and I have used it successfully over the years to lose weight overall and also to tighten my core muscles to lose belly fat, and that is burpees. Now burpees are one of the best ways to lose belly fat faster than any other exercise. You can begin by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees to a squat position. Place your hands on the floor and jump back into a plank position. Bring your feet back by jumping towards your hand and jump up. And you're going to repeat these 10 times. Now guys, I've shared with you the 6 exercises that are going to help you lose belly fat really fast. Now all you have to do is to implement these for 30 minutes on a daily basis. Only 30 minutes of your time. And soon you're going to get on your way with the flat stomach you have always wanted. If you find this video helpful, I invite you to like the video so others who are struggling with their weight and struggling to lose belly fat will also be inspired by it. And also, if you have not yet joined the family, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the family. I have a lot of great tips on how I have been able to lose weight, lose belly fat, lose arm fat, lose all the fat over my body, and looking forward to share it with all of you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of the family so that we can share our experiences and learn from each other. Until then, cheers to your great health and great looking skin. From Journey to Health with Ceels. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!